kaya to? Miho? Miho! Hoy, ano yung ginagawa mo? Bakit nakalabas mga buntot mo? Tago mo nga yan.
Anong masama ko ilabas ang gumihong buntot niya? Mula ngayon, ilalabas ko buntot ko hanggat gusto ko.
Ay, lasing ka na. Isang kahon ang nainom mo. Hala, uminom ka ng soju?
This is the Elite Institute. We tested 2 conditioners. The Cream Silk hair is 2 times softer, more manageable. Gives up to 98% less hair fall. Nothing prevents hair fall and conditions like Cream Silk.
20-something whose skin is aging faster than her peers? Yes, it's possible.
To learn more, we asked avid joggers who are in their 20s to take the Visha test.
Let's look at your skin test results.
Your skin score is that of a 30-year-old woman.
Tanda na pala ng skin ko.
Signs of skin aging begin as early as 25, and it can be caused by sun exposure.
So it's important that even before signs of skin aging like fine lines and wrinkles become obvious, you start using an anti-aging cream with SPF. Keep your skin looking as young as you really are. Fight 7 signs of skin aging with Olay Total Effects now. Tune in for more skin expose